Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of email marketing and how to set it up for maximum deliverability without ending up in the dreaded spam folder. This is a crucial step for any business looking to build a strong customer relationship and generate leads. To get started, we need three key components: a domain, hosting, and an email warm-up tool. I recommend using Namecheap for your domain because they offer affordable prices and free privacy protection. For hosting, I prefer Chemicloud as it provides reliable shared Cpanel hosting. And finally, we'll need an email warm-up tool, which you can find a link to in the description below. Let's start it. Step 1. If you don't have domain, purchase a domain from Namecheap and shared Cpanel hosting with Chemicloud. Step 2. The first step is to connect your domain to your Chemicloud hosting account. You should have received a welcome email from Chemicloud or your hosting provider with your name server information, or you ask to the customer support. Next, log in to your Namecheap account or your domain provider. This is where you purchased your domain. Go to Domains and select your domain setting. Look for a section called DNS or Nameservers. This is where you'll be able to change the settings for your domain. You'll see a list of current name servers. Replace these with the ones you copied from your Chemicloud welcome email. Make sure to replace both the primary and secondary name servers. It's important to know that it can take up to 48 hours for these changes to take effect. This is called propagation time. Step 3. Let's continue building your email marketing setup. In this step, we'll add your domain to your Chemicloud hosting and create a business email account. First, log in to your Chemicloud Cpanel account. You should have received the login details in your welcome email. Once logged in, look for the Domains section and click on Add on Domains. Enter your domain name in the provided field. Uncheck the Share Document Route option. Click Add Domain. Now, to secure your website, we'll install an SSL certificate. Go to the Security section and click on SSL/TLS Manager. Select your domain and click on Run Auto SSL. This will automatically install a free SSL certificate for your domain. Now, let's create a business email account. Go to the Email section and click on Email Accounts. Create your desired email address with strong password. And there you have it. Your domain is now added to your hosting, secured with an SSL certificate, and you have a business email account ready to go. We're now going to focus on improving your email deliverability by setting up SPF, DKIM, and PDR records. These are technical but essential steps to ensure your emails land in the inbox. Log into your Cpanel and look for the Email Deliverability section. This tool will help you manage your email-related DNS records. The Email Deliverability tool will provide you with the necessary records. Copy these records and paste them into your domain's DNS settings at your domain registrar. Look for a button or option labeled Install Records or something similar. Click on it. The system will automatically try to install the SPF, DKIM, and PDR records. This might take a few minutes. If the automatic installation fails, you'll need to manually add the records to your domain's DNS settings. In your Cpanel, find the DNS Zone Editor section. Paste the records provided by the Email Deliverability tool into the appropriate fields. Once you've added all the records, save your changes. Remember, it takes time for DNS changes to propagate. Be patient. Go back to Email Deliverability tool, then you will see all the record status is valid. That's it for this step. By installing SPF, DKIM, and PDR records, you're significantly improving your email deliverability. Now, one more thing is missing, that is DMARC records. Add TXT records at your DNS zone editor. Host will be _DMARC, and in the value sector, you need just replace email ID on given details on screen. or you can copy from the description below. Once you save it, you have reached to 99% of email deliverability. The last step, email warmup. Sign up for an email warmup tool. Connect your newly created email account to the warmup tool. Add your SMTP credentials to connect email warmup. And that's it. Follow the warmup tool's instructions to gradually increase your sending reputation. Additional tips. Create engaging and valuable content that your subscribers actually want to read. Write compelling subject lines that entice people to open your emails. Keep your email list clean by removing inactive subscribers. I prefer zero bounce to clean my email list. Link in the description below. Encourage subscribers to interact with your emails by including calls to action. Remember, building a strong email marketing strategy takes time and effort. But by following these steps and consistently providing value to your subscribers, you'll be well on your way to achieving 100% email deliverability. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more marketing tips. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for the tools mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.